Hello and welcome to EZCheckedin. One of the greatest advantages of using EZCheckedin is how easy it is to use. Most of the features are very straightforward and you can begin to use it as soon as it's installed. However, there are some advanced features that work with a third-party application such as Google Business Review, Google Calendar, Google Form, and etc. Then there's a little learning curve. If you are willing to learn, you can easily do it yourself by watching these video tutorials that we have here. However, if you feel that your time will be better spent doing something more important, then click on the technical support on the left menu and one of our team members will help to assist. Unlike our competitors who charge you hundreds of dollars to do a setup, we only ask for a one-time flat rate fee of $75. And we can set the entire account for you. Thank you for watching this video.